This is Year 6 Maths for Thursday the 2nd of July, and the learning objective is I can use pictures to help solve problems. Hi Year 6, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Thursday's Maths. We are doing some problem solving where we need to draw some pictures to help us today. So here we go, here's the problem. What is the greatest number of squares you can make by overlapping these three squares of the same size? So I'd like you to start by pausing the video and having a think about the key information in this problem. So when I read through, I thought the important information there was that the three squares have to be the same size. So now we need to think about how we could go about solving this problem. So a couple of questions to have a think about. How could you arrange the squares? So would you put them in a vertical line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line? Would you have one in the middle and two going out? And how can you be sure the new shapes you make are also squares? If you've got some squared paper, that would really help with this problem. Pause the video and start having a try to arrange your squares and thinking about this problem. Now you've had a try, here are a couple of hints to help. I would definitely recommend trying to arrange the squares diagonally. It's also a good idea to use some different colours to outline the new squares that you make. It'll help you count how many you've created. Pause the video now while you try to solve this problem because the next slide shows the solution. So in total, with three overlapping squares, you can create a total of 8 new squares. First off, there are 3 large squares, and then in the middle, in a diagonal row, there are 3 small squares, but there are also another 2 medium-sized squares. So that's 3 plus 3 is 6, plus another 2, total of 8 squares. If you'd like to challenge yourself further, then have a try and see what happens if you use 4 squares. How many new squares can you create now? We'd love to see how you get on, so do email your solutions through to us.